Yan si Tita Beto, wala. Meron na kaming kinuha. Ay na, dami namin binubuo. Good evening, everyone. I want to ask your question. What did I use on my face earlier for cleaning? Okay, I used MCT coconut oil. It doesn't have any smell, almost, of coconut oil. That's why I am using it. I chose to buy it. Yeah. Anyway, I just dropped by to say that, okay, olive oil yun. That was the olive oil that I used. Try it, okay? Give it a try. Do not use any water-based cleansers. Use oil. If you don't have it, you also use coconut oil, pure coconut oil. Much better if you make your own coconut oil. Yan. And I'm also doing that right now. I'll show you later or next time. If you don't have any coconut oil or MCT, you can use olive oil for cleaning your face. What you want to do is you just use cotton and then apply the coconut oil right away and then wipe. Yeah, you can do it twice, and after that, it's an option to use soap and water for washing. You know what I like about coconut oil? You don't really have to wash your face right after cleaning your face or skin with coconut oil. You can also use the coconut oil, if you have the money, all over your body from top to bottom. You can sleep with the coconut oil. So for 24 hours, you'll see the difference and feel next day you wake up. You'll feel, how nice your skin, will be. And you can get used to this because I've been doing this for, years and years and years. My session with coconut oil, I'm a big believer of coconut oil. Okay? In fact, I can't live without coconut oil. It's one of my medicine for preventing and treating my being diabetic. It's in my blood. Okay,